Okay, someone requested this hairstyle, so I will show you how I do it. You will need a clip and bobby pins. So we are going to, So hair is like this. I'm just gonna take it and I'm just going to start to twist it back. And then once I get there, I just go like this. Ooh. Just go like this and I will put it back like that. So, bobby pins. Don't worry, you won't see that when we do it to this side. Okay, now this side. We can take this out and I'll just start twisting. Now, I can either take this and do it by itself and then come back for it, but we're just gonna continue to twist. Just like that, and then we're gonna cover that same back piece right there. So. And then we're gonna take this hair right here and we're just gonna tuck. So then we have this little piece right here. And just like that. And then if you want to, you can do your edges. My edges are already done. And also what I like to do is you can do just like that. And that's what it looks like.